Hey, what's up guys? It's Royal, and in this video, I'm gonna be showing you my top 20 exercises with a Swiss ball. And with the Swiss ball, you can do these exercises in the convenience of your own home. You can do these as well as in the gym. And I'm gonna be showing you my top 20 to help you get fit, to help you tone, and to help you lean your body out. I will see you in the video. Are you ready? Swiss ball top 20 exercises. Here we go. Like, comment, and share. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.